A club of 9 people wants to choose a board of 3 officers, a president, a vice president, and a secretary. How many ways are there to choose the board from the 9 people? Now, we're going to assume that one person can't hold more than one office. That if I'm picked for president, that I'm no longer a valid person for vice president or secretary. So let's just think about the 3 different positions. So you have the president, you have the president, you have the vice president, VP, and then you have the secretary, secretary. Now, let's say that we go for the president first. It actually doesn't matter. But let's say we're picking the president slot first, and we haven't appointed any other slots yet. How many possibilities are there for president? Well, the club has 9 people, so there's 9 possibilities for president. There's going to be 9 possibilities for president. Now, we're going to pick one of those 9. We're going to kind of take them out of the running for the other 2 offices, right? Because someone's going to be president. So one of the 9 is going to be president. There's 9 possibilities, but one of the 9 is going to be president. So you take that person aside. He or she is now the president. How many people are left to be vice president? Well, now there's only 8 possible candidates for vice president. 8 possibilities. Now he or she also goes aside. Now how many people are left for secretary? Well, now there's only 7 possibilities for secretary. So if you want to think about all of the different ways there are to choose a board from the 9 people, there's the 9 for president times the 8 for vice president times the 7 for secretary. You didn't have to do it this way. You could have picked secretary first, and there would have been 9 choices. And then you could have picked vice president. There would have still been 8 choices. Then you could have picked president last, and there would have only been 7 choices. But either way, you would have got 9 times 8 times 7. And that is, let's see, 9 times 8. 9 times 8 is 72. 72 times 7 is 2 times 7 is 14. 7 times 7 is 49. Plus 1 is 50. So 504. 504 possible ways to pick your board out of a club of only 9 people.